Scientists made an earth-shattering discovery inside Egypt's legendary Great Pyramid of Giza. Using revolutionary new satellite technology known as synthetic aperture radar, Doppler tomography, developed by researchers Filippo Bionde and Corrado Malanga, the team uncovered astonishing hidden structures beneath one of humanity's greatest monuments. Inside the Great Pyramid itself, researchers discovered a massive, previously unknown chamber spanning 5 distinct horizontal levels. Intricately designed and deliberately concealed, this secret room has remained untouched for thousands of years, hidden within plain sight. But this discovery was just the beginning. Radar scans penetrating deep beneath the Pyramid of Khafra have revealed 8 perfectly symmetrical cylindrical wells descending an incredible 648 meters, over 2,100 feet, straight into solid bedrock. These enormous shafts are precisely engineered, arranged methodically in parallel rows, and extend downward into vast cubic formations nearly 2 kilometers beneath the surface. Each cylindrical shaft measures several meters in diameter, constructed with astonishing accuracy, far surpassing the abilities previously attributed to ancient Egyptian technology. The depth alone defies comprehension. At 648 meters, these wells plunge deeper than the height of the world's tallest skyscrapers, connecting to immense subterranean spaces whose purposes remain utterly mysterious. Even more astonishingly, beneath the entire Giza plateau lies an expansive network of interconnected chambers, tunnels, and massive cubic structures buried deep underground, stretching for kilometers. The scale and complexity of these underground constructions surpass anything ever imagined by archaeologists or historians, challenging everything we thought we knew about ancient Egypt and its capabilities. Could these enormous wells and hidden chambers represent remnants of a lost civilization, one far more advanced than dynastic Egypt? Ancient Sumerian legends speak clearly of pre-flood civilizations like Atlantis or Mu, powerful beings known as the Anunnaki, the Titans, the Atlanteans, who imparted extraordinary knowledge and skills to humanity. Could these newly discovered subterranean structures beneath Giza be physical evidence of these very legends? And most importantly, who has been trying to keep this information suppressed? The Great Pyramid of Giza isn't just Egypt's most iconic monument. It's a global enigma that defies comprehension. Built with staggering precision from over 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing several tons, its dimensions encode astonishing mathematical and cosmic truths. The pyramid's exact coordinates align perfectly with Earth's true north, deviating by only a fraction of a degree. Its proportions reflect precise measurements of the Earth's circumference. Even more astonishing, encoded in the pyramid's geometry, is the speed of light itself. The Great Pyramid sits at latitude 29.9792458 degrees north. The speed of light in a vacuum is exactly 299,792,458 meters per second. When measured in Royal Egyptian cubits, the unit of measurement the Egyptians famously used, the pyramid's base perimeter closely matches Earth's equatorial circumference. Ancient Egyptians utilized a unit called the sacred cubit, approximately 25 inches, and it's suggested by some researchers that multiplying the pyramid's perimeter by a factor related to these cubits produces numbers closely aligning with the speed of light, again hinting at intentional encoding of advanced scientific knowledge. The sheer precision required to achieve this, down to fractions of degrees, goes far beyond coincidence. Skeptics argue it's simply random chance, but proponents see it as direct evidence that the pyramid builders possessed either advanced astronomical knowledge, sophisticated mathematics, or possibly information granted by a civilization far more technologically advanced than history acknowledges. For decades, mainstream historians insisted these marvels were simply tombs, built with primitive tools, slave labor, and sheer brute force. But recent discoveries have shattered this simplistic narrative once and for all. With the groundbreaking discovery of a massive hidden chamber and 8 astonishing cylindrical wells beneath the Pyramid of Khafra, reaching depths of 648 meters into solid bedrock, the conventional story has officially collapsed. These shafts, perfectly symmetrical and meticulously engineered, plunge deeper than the tallest modern skyscrapers, connecting to sprawling subterranean structures extending nearly 2 kilometers beneath the plateau. No copper chisels, ropes, or wooden pulleys could account for such feats of advanced geological engineering. Simply put, the mainstream explanation doesn't just fall short, it now appears entirely impossible. With mainstream narratives collapsing and sensational discoveries mounting, one question remains: what comes next? Are we on the verge of confirming ancient legends, perhaps even establishing definitive links to lost civilizations, cosmic visitors, or advanced prehistoric knowledge? Whatever comes next, one thing is clear. The sands of Giza still guard incredible secrets, and humanity is finally ready to uncover them.